Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up your navigation menu. So by default, when you install the theme, there will not be a navigation menu set up. So we need to create that. So let's go ahead and create that under Appearance and Menus. Now, WordPress will automatically build you a menu, but I like to create a new menu. So go ahead and click Create New Menu. That way it's blank and it's a little easier to start. So you can name this anything you want. I like to use Main Navigation. So let's go ahead and name it Main Navigation and create the menu. Then you can start adding some pages. So let's just go and tack on a bunch of pages. And you just click on them and add them to the menu. And when you're done, click Save Menu. Now if you visit your site, the pages won't have shown up, and that's because we're missing one last step, and that's under this tab, Manage Locations. This is saying this theme has one area for navigation. Which menu do you want to use? So we're going to use our main navigation, and it's pretty simple since all we have is one spot in one menu. So once you do that, click Save Changes, and you'll only need to do that step once, and now you have your menu. So let's go back to our under Appearance and Menus, and we can start editing our menu. We can drag and drop to reorder. So we can also create drop downs. So for instance, if we want a bunch of pages under drop down under full width, you just grab the page, and then you're going to want to indent a little bit and see how that's indented. So now short codes is now on a drop down under full width. We can do the same with Contact Us. Let's save that menu, and now you have your full width with some drop down menu items underneath. If you want to get rid of that, just drag them back. If you want to delete items, just click this down arrow. It gives you extra options, and you can use remove if you want. Another cool feature is you can click the drop down and you can adjust the label. So we can call this latest news, for instance. Save the menu. And now we have latest news, but when you go to the page, it doesn't affect the page title. So there's all sorts of cool things you can do there. The last thing to go over is how to add in your portfolio pages. That's under Screen Options at the top while you're under Appearance Menus. And you'll want to select Portfolio Categories, and you'll notice it pops up down there. Once you've done it the first time, you won't have to adjust it again. It will always display. And that's where you can do cool things like add in a bunch of portfolio options. Save that menu, and now you can link to your portfolio pages as you like. So it's pretty cool and pretty easy to use for the navigation menus.